There's one step at the end that restaurants use to make butter chicken taste expensive. Welcome to ChefNTaste. Today, I'm making restaurant-style butter chicken in 60 minutes, and I've created a complete recipe chart on screen to help you follow along. But stick around till the end for that game-changing secret technique. Let's prepare our marinade. Take 3/4 cup thick curd, 4 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 2 tablespoons mustard oil, and salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth, thick marinade. Now add your chicken pieces and massage the marinade in. Make sure every piece is well coated. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. This time allows the spices to penetrate deep into the meat. While the chicken marinates, let's build our flavor-packed gravy base. Heat the oil and butter together on medium flame. Once hot and shimmering, add 1 teaspoon jeera. Add 4 medium-sliced onions and fry them until they turn translucent and soft. This takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Toss in the ginger and garlic. Saute until the raw smell disappears and the mixture becomes aromatic. Mix everything well. You'll notice the spices coating the onions beautifully. Add 7 whole Kashmiri chilies for color and mild heat. Did you know my videos are available in multiple languages? It's your preferred language: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, French and more. 3 slit green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, and 4 crushed green cardamom pods. Mix well, you'll see the spices coating the onions beautifully. Add the tomatoes and mix well. The tomatoes will release their juices and create a beautiful base for our gravy. The marinated chicken we prepared earlier works perfectly for chicken tikka too. For that smoky charred flavor, check out my chicken tikka recipe at the top right corner. You can use the same marinade. Add 35 cashew nuts. These create that signature creamy texture. A few chopped coriander stems, half teaspoon kasuri methi, and salt to taste. Mix everything and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. Turn off the flame and let this mixture cool for about 10 minutes. Transfer everything to a mixer and grind it into a smooth, velvety paste. Look at that gorgeous color. Now strain this puree through a fine sieve. You'll get an incredibly smooth, silky gravy. Set this aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it's smoking hot, add the marinated chicken pieces. Fry them on both sides until they develop a beautiful char and are about 80% cooked. Set this aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons butter on medium flame. Once melted, add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add these spices and mix quickly, just 10 seconds. Pour in your strained masala gravy. Mix well and let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame. You'll see the oil starting to separate. That's exactly what we want. The gravy should thicken and intensify in color. Add water to reach your desired consistency. Cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Mix gently. More such easy-go recipes coming. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed. Now add half teaspoon garam masala and 5 to 6 teaspoons fresh cream for that signature silky finish. Mix gently. Taste and add salt if needed. Cook for 5 minutes and turn off the flame. Place a small steel bowl in the center of your gravy. Add a piece of hot glowing charcoal to the bowl. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of ghee directly onto the charcoal. Watch it smoke. Immediately cover the pan with a lid and let it sit for 5 minutes. Remove the bowl carefully. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves. A swirl of cream and a small cube of butter on top. There you have it, restaurant-style butter chicken that's rich, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. If this recipe made your mouth water, share it with someone who loves Indian food, hit that like button for more authentic recipes, and subscribe to Chef and Taste for delicious food adventures every week. Until next time, happy cooking!